Hi, my name is Kajal Virulkar and today's topic is audio signal processing. So, on which problem we are going to work? I give you one example so that you can correlate it with you. See, you have your final exam and you have less time in your hand and you want to concentrate properly, but that time your surrounding noise may get disturb you. So, what are you doing in this situation? You are looking for quiet place to reduce the disturbances. Same happen in audio signal processing. When you transfer audio, at that time you know that audio get altered. There is some noise and other form of audio which break the audio. To reduce this mixing of sound, we have to do filtering method. Audio signal processing is term to use to describe the modification of auditory signals. Audio signal is electronically represented in either digital or analog form, which is directly operate on electrical signal, and digital signal operate mathematically on the binary representation of the signal. So what is audio signal processing? It is an engineering field that focuses on the computational methods for intentionally altering sounds. It is used in many musical applications. Audio signals have frequency in the audio frequency range of roughly 20 to 20,000 Hz, which is correspond to lower and upper limit of human hearing. You can see in figure below the audio signal processing having one input and two output. The input of audio signal processing is audio signal, and audio signal processing gives two output, which is first one is sampling and second one is reconstruction. The motivation behind this is audio signal processing began at the beginning of 20th century with innovations like the telephone, phonograph and radio that allowed for transmission and storage of audio signal was necessary for early radio broadcasting, as there were many problems with studio to transmitter links. The objective behind this is to implement on MATLAB is to implement sampling of audio signal and reconstruction of audio signal, and main objective is to perform filtering of audio signal. Let us do sampling and reconstruction. In sampling, we are converting x of t into x of n. That means time domain signal into discrete time signal. You can see in figure number 1, the analog signal x of t is converted into discrete time signal, that is x of n. At sample period t. Conceptually, conversion of x of t to x of n is achieved by the continuous time to discrete time converter, which is shown in below figure, which is figure number 2. The process of transmitting x of n back to x of t, which is shown in figure number 3, and this is figure number 3. X of n back into x of t, that means reconstruction. The reconstruction happen in figure number 3. An audio filter is a frequency dependent amplifier circuit which working in audio frequency range of 0 to beyond 20 kHz can amplify and attenuate some frequency ranges. Many types of filter exist, more different audio application including hyper stereo system, musical synthesizers, audio effect, instrument amplifier, band pass, low pass, high pass, and all pass are some type of filters. You can see the MATLAB code. By using this MATLAB code, we can do audio signal processing by using MATLAB. CLC clear all, close all. This command is used compulsory because CLC is used to clear the command window, and close all instruction is used to close all windows which is currently open. And going to next instruction, which is y comma fs equals to audio read. In audio read, this you can see c colon slash user as this is the location of this audio file which is extracting from this location. Y comma fs means return sample data y and the sample rate for that data fs. This figure 1 command used for open a new figure at first. This plot y command is used to plot y. Whatever the data of y is plot on figure number 1. After the next instruction is z equals to FFT of y, which means if x is a vector, that means if y is a vector, then FFT of y return the Fourier transform of the vector. The next command is m equals to abs of z. That means return the absolute value of each element in the array z. If z is complex, abs of z return as complex magnitude. Going to next instruction, which is z1 equals to FFT shift of m. This instruction rearranges a Fourier transform of z by shifting the zero frequency component to the center of array. If z is a vector, then FFT shift swaps the left and right half of z. The next is figure 2. This figure 2 instruction opens a new window, and after that we are plotting m coordinates. Same in figure 3, we are plotting z1, and we can see result of this is this figure 1 and figure 2 is a implementation on MATLAB, which is in figure 1 shows figure Fourier spectrum from power spectrum density of recorded files, and second, which will be audio. Hope you understand this both of graphs. Conclusion behind this: from this we can successfully implement sampling and reconstruction of audio signal on the MATLAB. and we can perform filtering of audio signal as well. Thank you.